Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to render 3D text in augmented reality using RealityKit in native iOS application. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here is the output. I have already given the camera permission, and here I'm just trying to place some 3D text. Here you can see, like, it does take a little bit of time. You can move the text, scale it, rotate it as well. Like, if the text is not visible to you, make sure you have proper lighting in your environment, otherwise it might take a little bit of time. So yeah, let's get started on how to do this. Here I have created a native iOS application using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And here I have created one AR view. Here we are initializing our AR view, so and just adding that AR view to our main view. Then to generate a 3D text, all you have to do is mesh resource dot generate text, pass your 3D text to it. Here you can change the exclusion depth, font, container, like frame, alignment, line break mode, to whatever you like. Then here I have just created one simple material of color blue, and then we are just creating an entity by passing our mesh as well as our material. And here I have set the position. Then we just create an anchor entity of plain horizontal. I have given it some name. I have added this text entity to our anchor entity, and then I have added this anchor entity to our AR view, and then just do generate collision shape true. And here we are just install all this gesture. So yeah, that's it. Also, one more thing, if you haven't connected your real device, make sure you connect your real device and select your real device as well. If your simulator is selected, so suppose the simulator is selected, you might get an error over here, which is a false positive from Xcode. So yeah, also you can just run this on a real device only. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.